everyone. If you are using Stocky to manage inventory in Shopify, you have probably heard the news that it's being discontinued. So, in this video, let's look at 4 solid alternatives you can switch to. Just a quick recap, Stocky has already been removed from Shopify App Store and it will fully shut down on August 31, 2026. So, if you are still using it, now probably is the time to start looking at other options. So, when putting this list together, I mainly looked for tools that can actually replace the main workflows merchants use Stocky for. Things like managing purchase orders, running stock takes, and handling inventory operations. So, based on those criteria, here are 4 alternatives. First up is SumTracker. This tool focuses on operational inventory management for Shopify stores. It lets you manage purchase orders, run stock takes, transfer inventory between locations, and keeps inventory synced in real time. SumTracker is built for Shopify merchants and works well for purchase orders, stock takes, transfers, and multi channel inventory syncing. Next is SKU Savvy. This tool leans toward warehouse management inventory tracking. SKU Savvy is especially useful for businesses that rely on barcode scanning and detailed warehouse workflows. The downside is that forecasting and demand planning features are more limited. The third is Cogsy. This one focuses more on demand planning and helping merchants forecast future inventory needs. Cogsy provides strong support for forecasting insights and planning tools, but it doesn't focus as much on operational workflows. The fourth option is Inventory Planner. This platform is well known for forecasting demand and plan inventory purchasing. It's particularly useful for regenerating purchase order recommendations. However, the initial setup can take some time. So, overall, each of these tools replaces stock in slightly different ways. Some tracker focuses on operational workflows, SKU Savvy helps with warehouse operations, and Cogsy and Inventory Planner focuses more on forecasting and planning. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify inventory tips.